Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Snapchat device ban. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to fix Snapchat device ban? Stay tuned because this one's for you. All right, so why did Snapchat ban your device? So first, it's important to understand what a Snapchat device ban is. It's pretty much that you're no longer able to access Snapchat on the device you were using. And this can be caused by a lot of reasons, such as violating the Snapchat terms of service, using third-party apps, or hacking stuff on Snapchat, which you're violating rules. So that can compromise your account. And there are a few fixes to this. So the first one would be verify that your account has not been compromised. So the first thing you want to do is check for any suspicious activity on your Snapchat account. If you notice anything out of the ordinary, it's possible that somebody has gotten access to your account and is using it for bad reasons. Step 2 is to contact Snapchat support for assistance. If you verify that your account is secure and you're not using any unauthorized tools, you might want to contact their customer support and talk to them and say, hey, you can check I'm not doing anything wrong, and that can help you unban your account. Step 3 is fix Snapchat device ban by updating the app. So this is a very quick fix that can help you. So you might just want to do an update on your Snapchat, or maybe uninstall the app on your phone to help you. That might help. Step 4 is to reset your device, which is very self-explanatory. Just reset your phone. Step 4, use a different device to access your Snapchat account. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.